Hey guys, welcome back. It is your girl, Joshua. Let's start. I am here. If you can tell by the title of this video, it is my 1-year lock anniversary. And I'm so excited. I already retwisted my hair last night and I'm going to take it out. And while I am taking it out, I'm gonna show you a short clip on what my year was like being locked. I think it'll be very informative. I think it'll show you a couple of things I was struggling with, my hair growth, my length, budding, all of that. Afterward, I'll show you how long it looks now. Are you ready? Let's get into the intro.
No name off the drug, no name quit the weed. Telephone delight, love is all I need. My honeybee, red, black, and green, majestic queen. This for my homies say love. This for my homies say love. This for my homies say.
I love this hairstyle so much. I cannot wait to see how long my hair will be next year.
Slow down. I need a minute for minute's sake, a dinner plate. A Casanova with catalogs of his dinner days make me feel special, J Electro Soul. I need to follow me to the rabbit hole and fall in where I fall in. I'm ballin', I'm on control. I'm ballin', I'm on control.
You say you see a way that I cannot see, then say that I never knew it all. I'm just trying not to fall, and now I'm chasing patience. I need it for greatness. Look at this time I'm wasting. Mad at how it ended. Really, if I tell the truth about it, if it's not how I want it, it's just how I need it. If it's not how I want it, it's just how I need it. If it's not how I want it, it's just how I need it. If it's not how I want it, it's just how I need it.
Everything is everything, a cigarette for wedding ring, and tell me that you love me and love me tomorrow. The matrimony catalyst for secondary, get to know me in Chicago, how I go where you stay. Unorthodox paradox and a paradox with an overbite oversight to a merry clock. Happy-go-lucky was a time, you and I. Happy-go-lucky was a time, do or die. You remind me to love myself for the principle, for the kid inside, till the end of time. Happy-go-lucky was a time. Okay. No name off the drug, no name quit the weed. Telephone delight, love is all I need.
Honestly, these filters be doing the most. Why do I look so saturated? I mean, I like how my hair looks, but golly.
Say.
You say you see a way that I cannot see, then say that I never knew it all. I'm just trying not to fall, and now I'm chasing patience. I need it for greatness. Look at this time I'm wasting. Mad at how it ended. Really, if I tell the truth about it, if it's not how I want it, it's just how I need it. If it's not how I want it, it's just how I need it. If it's not how I want it, it's just how I need it. If it's not how I want it, it's just how I need it. Is there something after there's nothing to say? We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape.
Happy Sunday. You already know what it is. We got the sugar snap peas on deck, the big bag, the family pack, because you need sugar snap peas in your life. Get you some, and thank you later.
There's nothing feels like I'm not doing this right. Like a star that slowly disappears in the night. Oh, where did all the good things go? Oh, falling out of love too slow. It's a beautiful morning, don't throw it away. If I gave you the sunset, you wish for the rain. Do you even notice what I'm trying to say? If I gave you the ocean, you'd complain about the
My hair is actually brown. You can see. But yet it won't show up.
for the rain. Do you even notice what I'm trying to say? If I gave you the ocean, you'd complain about the waves. She wasn't living in summer. No one ever loved her. I love to be there. These days, it's not
I'm producing this.
easy. Cause you say you don't need me. Wasn't in the summer, it didn't last too long. And no one ever loved her. I love the way she calls.
It literally looks so full. I remember when I first got them done and how they looked so thin because I have thin hair. But because my hair has thickened up with the locks, it looks a lot fuller. And so even when I do get them retwisted, my hair does look a little flat, but it still looks really full. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I can't wait for my year 2 in my lock journey, and I'm glad that you were all able to see the journey along with me. Stay tuned. More lock videos will be uploaded, mostly talking about maintenance and not really retwist because you've gotten enough retwist videos. I'll be uploading about every 3 months for a retwist video, but mostly now about styles, maintenance, and hair care, and actually what I use on a daily basis. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button, And click the bell to be a part of the notification gang. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.